Absurd, completely unreasonable or silly. Her excuse for being late was completely absurd. Adept, highly skilled or expert. She is adept at solving difficult math problems. Adverse, harmful or unfavorable. The bad weather had an adverse effect on the crops. Affluent, wealthy or rich. They live in an affluent neighborhood with big houses. Agile, able to move quickly and easily. The horse was very agile and jumped over the fence. Ambitious, having a strong desire to achieve something. She is ambitious and wants to become a doctor. Ample, more than enough. There was ample food for everyone at the party. Anecdote, animosity, strong dislike or hatred. There was clear animosity between the two rivals. Appalling, shocking or terrible. The conditions in the old building were appalling. Arrogant, overly proud and disrespectful. His arrogant attitude made him unpopular with his classmates. Articulate, able to express thoughts clearly. He gave an articulate speech at the meeting. Banish, to send away or remove. The king banished the traitor from the kingdom. Benevolent, kind and generous. The benevolent man donated money to the school. Bewildered, completely confused. He was bewildered by the difficult puzzle. Boisterous, noisy and full of energy. The children were boisterous at the birthday party. Bountiful, large in amount or number. The farmers had a bountiful harvest this year. Cautious, careful to avoid danger. They were cautious when crossing the busy street. Cease, to stop something. The rain finally ceased after hours of heavy showers. Cohesive, well connected or united. The team worked together in a cohesive way. Commendable, worthy of praise. His hard work on the project was commendable. Compassionate, showing kindness and care. The compassionate nurse comforted the sick child. Composed, calm and in control. He remained composed during the emergency. Conceited, too proud of oneself. The conceited player thought he was better than everyone else. Condense, to make something shorter or smaller. The clouds condensed, forming raindrops in the sky. Confide, to share a secret with someone. She confided in her best friend about her worries. Contagious, able to spread easily. The flu is highly contagious, so be careful. Controversial, causing strong disagreements. The new law was very controversial. Corrupt, dishonest or immoral. The corrupt official took bribes from businessman. Counterfeit, fake or not real. The store accidentally sold counterfeit money. Dazzling, very bright or impressive. The fireworks show was dazzling. Deceitful, dishonest or lying. His deceitful actions made people lose trust in him. Deliberate, done on purpose. His mistake was not deliberate, it was an accident. Despair, complete sadness or hopelessness. She felt deep despair after losing her job. Dignified, showing respect and self-control. He remained dignified even in difficult times. Dismal, gloomy or depressing. The weather was cold and dismal all day. Eager, very excited or interested. The kids were eager to open their presents. Eloquent, speaking clearly and beautifully. The professor gave an eloquent lecture. Endure, to suffer through something difficult. The athlete endured months of hard training. Enhance, to improve or make better. The new paint enhanced the beauty of the house. Erroneous, wrong or incorrect. The report contained some erroneous information. Evoke, to bring up a memory or feeling. A photo of his favorite childhood toy evoked memories of endless playtime. Feeble, weak or lacking strength. The old man had a feeble voice. Frivolous, not serious or unimportant. They spent money on frivolous things. Gloomy, dark or sad. The rainy weather made the day feel gloomy. Gracious, polite and kind. He was gracious and thanked everyone for coming. Intrusive, disturbing, interfering. His questions were intrusive and personal. Invincible, too strong to be defeated. The army felt invincible after their victory. Lament, to mourn, grieve. They lamented the loss of their beloved leader. Lucrative, profitable, rewarding. The business became very lucrative. Meager, small, insufficient. Her salary was meager for her living expenses. Negate, to cancel out or make something ineffective. A simple misunderstanding should not negate their friendship. Noteworthy, important, remarkable. His achievements are noteworthy. Indignant, angry at injustice. She was indignant about the unfair treatment. Obsolete, outdated, no longer used. The old computer is now obsolete. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.